a lot of people.
Hello everyone, it's Cheryl Millett here in Ottawa. I just wanted to show you a couple of things here. I'm just going to switch it around. For those who are not familiar with Queen Romana, so it's interesting, she's here and arriving today, so I thought I'm going to get this on video and live here where somebody's coming in. Queen Romana, if you've not heard from her, she's on Telegram and all kinds, but she's arriving. Just going to show you some of the, that's what she usually says, I don't play politics, right? And so here we are at the Parliament building. I've got some signs here. Again, Queen Romana, if you've not heard of Queen Romana, she's Queen of the Philippines, I believe, and learning more and more all the time. But you have a number of people here with the flag, supposedly the new flag of Canada, and you can see them here. And about 3 o'clock, just before then, they're burning the Canadian flag and going to be putting up this flag. So this is somebody who has thousands of followers, if not millions of followers, thousands and thousands around the world. She has been talking about freedom here in Canada. Again, she is, I believe, been crowned queen. And Philippines, she comes from that family, royalty there. And anyway, she is here and she is talking about how this is a corporation, Canada's a corporation. Canada is beautiful. Trudeau has been fired and all these kind of wonderful stuff. But anyway, she's here. She came from Vancouver, from BC, Queen Romana, and she's supposed to be marching up. They've put flags, so people are standing here with their flags, their signs welcoming Queen Romana. So here in Ottawa, just straight below the Parliament buildings in Ottawa, and we have a lot of people waiting here, a lot of people with flags. Official welcome for Queen Romana. Again, I'm not sure how many people have heard of her. My sister and a few people have been following her on Telegram, getting their messages. They've been helping a lot of people in need, not just in Canada, as Canadians in the U.S. If they need, they've been raising funds, making sure people have places to stay. Any people that actually have anything going on, they've been raising funds directly to their email, mind you, and in certain situations. But again, here's all these good people who have been tuning in to Romana.
One single person here is fucking racist, man.
Yeah.
Not one. No, you're right.
So this is wonderful. I just thought I'd get a quick video. She's going to be coming in here. Again, this is all set up for her to come down the middle here. People are getting their flags all ready. Why does Canada even need a queen? Yes, Julia, I know. It's interesting how things are going to be unfolding. In a lot of cases, mystery, mistress, and each and every one of us are sovereign, yes. So let's just see what happens, people. I mean, again, it's about burning the corporate Canadian flag today. That's what it is. Apparently, Trudeau's been fired. Anyway, it's going to be interesting to watch things unfold. I mean, the truckers have already said, yesterday we spoke to a trucker from Sudbury, and he said we are not moving, and a lot of the truckers here have shed a lot of tears. The excitement, the moving of the heart, all that kind of stuff that people have just been, they just feel so overwhelmed with the stepping up, stepping forward kind of thing. But anyway, I'm going to tune out for now, and I'll see if I can get some pictures of when she comes in. And we'll see what happens here. But again, she just came with a convoy, a group of them from BC. They arrived just today, Queen Romana. So we will see what happens, what unfolds, and we'll go from there. Take care, and we'll come back on a little bit later. Bye for now.